Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of another great Hot Wheels car. Today we have a 2010 Hot Wheels Garage. And it's a 2010 Camaro Super Sport. Number 6 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Garage series. And this has a really nice color, and it's only going to show its beauty out of the package. Some things you can read. Some other models you can get in 2010. And there's your 2009 copyright. Nothing wrong with the package here. Let's get it out so it can breathe. Oh, like I said, that red is beautiful. I knew it would be. Front grille with the Chevy logo. You can clearly see inside this vehicle. Steering on the left, speakers in the back, stick shift. Nice shot right there. Let's see how this guy rolls. It rolls very well. That's a smooth roll right there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, who needs kids with you when it's coming back on its own? Perfect, all the way to the other Super Bowl. Oh, if I try to do it too hard, it changes everything. Haha, can it drift? I believe so. Sweet. I like this car a lot. It's going into my Timmy's 10 Again favorites toy collection. I have a number of Camaros that I collect, and I think I'm going to give them their own case of 24. Thanks for tuning in to Timmy's 10 Again and checking it out with me. Thanks for watching the whole video, and please subscribe to Timmy's 10 Again.